Hello everyone, Dr. Maya Patel here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm excited to share something truly special with you, something that's probably sitting right in your pantry or fridge. Let's talk about a root you might overlook, but shouldn't, ginger. This humble root is a staple in kitchens around the world, and for good reason. More than just a spice to add flavor, ginger is a powerhouse of health benefits. It can truly transform your daily routine, whether you're looking to boost your immunity, soothe an upset stomach, or simply add a burst of freshness to your meals. For thousands of years, ginger has been cherished as both food and medicine. Ancient cultures from Asia to the Middle East have trusted ginger for its remarkable healing powers, using it in teas, tonics, and even poultices. The best part? You don't need a prescription or fancy equipment, just a little know-how and a willingness to experiment in your own kitchen. Why focus on ginger? Because sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. Nature often gives us what we need, right at our fingertips. Ginger is affordable, easy to find in any grocery store or market, and incredibly versatile. You can use it fresh, dried, powdered, or even as juice. In just minutes, you can whip up a soothing ginger tea, add zest to your stir-fries, or create a simple remedy to support your body's natural healing abilities. We'll dive into the fascinating science behind ginger, how its unique compounds like gingerol and shogal work in your body, and why modern research continues to confirm what traditional healers have known for centuries. We'll peel back its rich history, explore its powerful natural compounds, and discover practical, everyday ways to use ginger for better health and wellness. My goal is to empower you to take control of your health, starting with something as simple and accessible as ginger. You'll be amazed at what this root can do. So grab a notepad, jot down some tips, or just listen closely as we explore together. Remember, the path to better health doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, it starts with something as simple as a piece of ginger on your cutting board. Let's begin this exciting adventure together. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. Ready to unlock the magic of ginger? Let's dive in and discover how this ancient root can make a difference in your life. Here's what you need to know. Let's get started. Let's travel back in time. Imagine the world before modern medicine, before supermarkets, before the internet. In those ancient days, people turned to the earth for healing, and one humble root began its journey to legendary status. Ginger's story began over 5,000 years ago in the lush green landscapes of Southeast Asia. Here, among the monsoon rains and fertile soil, ginger first took root, quietly weaving itself into the daily lives and traditions of the people. Ancient India and China revered ginger as a gift from the gods, using it for food, aroma, and medicine. In bustling markets and quiet temples, ginger was treasured for its warming flavor and its power to heal. Ginger was so valuable it traveled the legendary spice routes, carried by merchants across deserts and seas. At times, it was worth its weight in gold, traded alongside silk and precious gems, and sought after by kings and emperors. The Romans loved it for flavor and healing, especially for soothing stomachs after feasts. Roman cooks and doctors alike prized ginger, blending it into sauces and remedies, believing it could ward off illness and bring balance to the body. Even after the Roman Empire faded, ginger remained prized in Europe. Medieval cooks used it to spice up bland dishes, while apothecaries prescribed it for everything from colds to the plague, believing it offered protection from illness and misfortune. In traditional Chinese medicine, ginger was used to balance energy, or qi, and treat colds, coughs, and digestive issues. Healers believed ginger could warm the body, drive out toxins, and restore harmony within. Ayurveda, India's ancient healing system, calls ginger a universal medicine used for digestion, inflammation, and detox. It was mixed into tonics, teas, and pastes, believed to ignite the body's inner fire and promote longevity. These ancient practices show us ginger's benefits have stood the test of time. Passed down through generations, ginger's reputation as a healer and protector only grew stronger. Holding a piece of ginger connects you to thousands of years of wisdom, tradition, and hope. It's a living link to the healers, cooks, and explorers who shaped our world. Today, this ancient treasure is available in every grocery store, waiting to be rediscovered in your own kitchen. We're lucky to have such easy access to a root once reserved for emperors and healers. With just a short walk to the store, we can bring home a piece of history. Ginger isn't just a root, it's a legacy of health, a symbol of resilience, and a reminder of nature's power to heal. Now, let's see what modern science says about why ginger is so powerful. Today, researchers are uncovering the secrets behind ginger's ancient reputation, exploring its compounds and their effects on our bodies. Ready to connect the past with the present? Let's move forward and discover the science behind this remarkable root. What's the secret behind ginger's power? It's all about its natural compounds. The star is gingerol, which gives ginger its spicy kick and most of its medicinal properties. When you eat ginger, you deliver gingerol straight into your body. But gingerol isn't alone. Shogals and zingerone join the team, especially when ginger is dried or cooked. These compounds work together, boosting each other's effects. Think of them as nature's tiny doctors, calming pain, fighting cell damage, and supporting your gut and brain. This isn't just folklore. Thousands of studies confirm ginger's real measurable effects. Every slice or sip of ginger unlocks these health-promoting compounds. Ginger is a true superfood. Food as medicine, right in your kitchen. Now that you know what makes ginger special, let's explore its top health benefits. First up, how ginger fights inflammation. Ready to see ginger in action? Let's go. Inflammation is like a fire inside your body. Good in small doses, but harmful when chronic. Chronic inflammation can lead to joint pain, heart disease, and fatigue. Ginger is one of nature's best firefighters. Gingerol blocks molecules that trigger inflammation, cooling that internal fire. People with osteoarthritis have found real relief with ginger. Less pain, less medication. Athletes use ginger to reduce muscle soreness after workouts. Instead of painkillers, try a ginger shot or tea post-exercise. By adding ginger to your meals, you're actively fighting inflammation. It's a simple, delicious way to support your body's healing. Each sip of ginger tea is like a soothing balm for your system. You have the power to manage pain naturally. Make ginger part of your daily routine for long-term health. Ready for more? Let's talk about ginger's antioxidant power. Onward. Every day, your body battles free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and speed up aging. Ginger is packed with antioxidants, your body's personal security guards. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells and DNA. Regular ginger use builds up your body's defenses, keeping you healthy from the inside out. Antioxidants in ginger also support brain health, protecting against age-related decline. Enjoying ginger isn't just about flavor, it's about arming your body against daily damage. Ginger helps slow aging and lowers your risk of chronic illness. Make ginger a regular part of your diet for a strong internal shield. It's one of the best things you can do for long-term vitality. Ready to see how ginger helps your digestion? Let's keep going. Your body will thank you. Next up, ginger for your gut. Upset stomach? Ginger is your go-to natural remedy. It speeds up stomach emptying, easing discomfort, bloating, and acid reflux. Ginger is famous for fighting nausea, motion sickness, morning sickness, you name it. Studies show ginger is safe and effective for reducing nausea, even during pregnancy. It calms the stomach and nervous system, providing quick relief. Ginger also boosts digestive enzymes, helping you absorb more nutrients. It relaxes intestinal muscles, relieving cramps and gas. Try ginger tea with meals for smoother digestion. A happy gut means better immunity, mood, and energy. Ginger is your digestive system's best friend. Simple, natural, and effective. Let's see how ginger boosts your immune system next. Want a stronger immune system? Ginger is your ally. Its warming properties help when you feel a chill or the first signs of a cold. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects support immune health. Fresh ginger even has antiviral properties, helping fight off respiratory infections. Sore throat or stuffy nose? Ginger tea with lemon and honey soothes and clears. Make ginger a regular habit to keep your defenses strong year-round. Don't wait until you're sick. Build resilience now. A little ginger each day can help keep illness at bay. Simple, proactive, and powerful. Ready to add ginger to your routine? Here's how. Adding ginger to your life is easy and delicious. Start with ginger tea. Slice or grate fresh ginger into hot water, steep, and add lemon or honey. Grate ginger into stir-fries, soups, curries, or marinades for a zesty kick. Sprinkle powdered ginger on oatmeal or yogurt. Try ginger juice or shots. Blend ginger with water and lemon for a morning boost. Add fresh ginger to smoothies with fruits like pineapple or mango. Crystallized ginger makes a sweet treat, and supplements are available too. Experiment to find what you like best. No need for big changes, just small, tasty steps. Make ginger a regular part of your healthy lifestyle. Enjoy the benefits every day. Now let's wrap up your ginger journey. Today, you've uncovered the fascinating story of ginger, its ancient roots, its journey through history, and the powerful science-backed benefits it offers us today. Ginger isn't just a spice. It's a natural remedy that fights inflammation, protects your cells from damage, soothes your stomach, and even helps with nausea and pain relief. Plus, it gives your immune system a boost, helping your body stay strong and resilient against everyday challenges. But remember, knowledge is only powerful when you put it into action. Start small. Brew a cup of ginger tea, toss some fresh ginger into your dinner, or sprinkle it over your morning smoothie. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try a zesty ginger shot to kickstart your day. As you add ginger to your routine, pay attention to how your body responds. Maybe you'll notice more energy, smoother digestion, or an overall sense of well-being. Every person's health journey is unique, so don't be afraid to experiment with different ways to enjoy ginger until you find what works best for you. Consistency is key. Make ginger a regular part of your meals, snacks, or drinks, and you'll unlock its full potential over time. Watch as small changes add up, and your health transforms with each new day. Share your ginger discoveries with friends and family. Swap recipes, cook together, and inspire each other to make healthy choices. When you encourage others to try ginger, you're helping them take charge of their own health too. Together, we can build a healthier, more vibrant community, one small step at a time. Your journey starts now, so grab some ginger and experience its magic for yourself. Remember, even the smallest steps can lead to big, lasting changes in your life. I'm cheering you on every step of the way. Go out there and unlock the incredible power of ginger. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Here's to your health, happiness, and a vibrant ginger-filled life.